The PiNetwork has gained significant attention in the cryptocurrency space, with discussions around its potential valuation intensifying. A key debate revolves around the feasibility of a global consensus value of $314,159 per Pi, particularly if 100 billion Pi coins enter circulation. This article examines the economic implications of such a valuation and explores realistic market expectations. Supply and market cap analysis, current and potential supply. Circulating supply as of now is approximately 7.14 billion Pi. Maximum possible supply, up to 100 billion Pi. Market capitalization at GCV, which is $314,159 per Pi. If Pi were valued at $314,159 per coin, the total market capitalization would reach an astronomical figure, surpassing the combined value of global stock markets, cryptocurrencies, and gold. To put this into perspective, Bitcoin's market cap is around $1 trillion. The total cryptocurrency market cap is approximately $2.5 trillion. Gold's market cap stands at about $15 trillion, and the global GDP is roughly $100 trillion. A valuation of $314,159 per Pi would lead to a market capitalization far beyond any financial asset in existence, making such a scenario highly improbable. Challenges of enforcing a GCV of $314,159. 1. Market instability and oversupply risks. The introduction of 100 billion Pi into circulation would significantly impact the market. A high supply, unless matched by extraordinary demand, would lead to severe price instability. 2. Liquidity and transaction feasibility. Hyperinflation risk. A large-scale sell-off would likely trigger a rapid price decline. Lack of willing buyers. At such a high valuation, real-world transactions would be impractical, limiting the coin's usability. Liquidity concerns. A lack of trading volume at GCV levels would make it difficult to convert Pi into other assets. Potential solutions for a sustainable Pi ecosystem. First, tiered pricing models. Certain decentralized applications or dApps may adopt GCV pricing for internal transactions, but broader crypto exchanges would likely list Pi at a more practical valuation. Second, controlled supply release. Gradually introducing Pi into circulation, rather than releasing the entire supply at once, could help stabilize its value and prevent price collapses. The role of the Pi core team is, well, absolutely pivotal. Strategic management of supply, partnerships, and adoption efforts by the PiNetwork's core team will be crucial in determining the coin's long-term market value. Now, let's talk about realistic market valuation scenarios. While a GCV of $314,159 per Pi is highly unrealistic, alternative price predictions provide more feasible outcomes. So, let's look at some alternative price predictions. At $100 per Pi, the market cap would be $10 trillion. And if Pi were to reach $1,000 per Pi, the market cap would skyrocket to $100 trillion. To put these figures into perspective, if Pi were valued at $1,000, its market cap would be equal to the entire world economy, which is around $100 trillion in GDP. Even a valuation of $100 per Pi would place it significantly above most traditional financial assets. Conclusion: what can be expected? A valuation of $314,159 per Pi is not sustainable, especially with 100 billion Pi in circulation. However, a price range of $100 to $1,000 per Pi could be achievable under specific conditions. Controlled supply distribution, strong demand growth, widespread adoption of Pi for real-world transactions. Ultimately, the success of PiNetwork depends on its ecosystem's ability to create genuine utility-drive adoption and establish a balanced economic model. While high valuations may be enticing, Sustainable market growth will be the key to Pi's long-term viability. What would Pi's market cap be at $100 or $1,000? If 100 billion Pi were in circulation, how much would its market cap be at different price levels? Let's look at some market cap calculations. If Pi reaches $100 and if Pi reaches $1,000. Comparisons. Bitcoin's market cap is approximately $1 trillion. Gold's market cap is around $15 trillion. The total crypto market cap is about $2.5 trillion. The global GDP is roughly $100 trillion. If Pi reaches $1,000, its market cap would equal the entire world economy. Realistic expectations suggest that a price of $100 to $1,000 per Pi is only possible if demand rises significantly while supply remains controlled.